Months ahead, officials must not only battle the virus, but also skepticism of the vaccine. About a quarter of all Americans say they probably or definitely would not get a COVID vaccine, even if it's free and scientists say it's safe. Now, that is from a survey released today by the Kaiser Family Foundation. The survey also found that African Americans, Republicans, and those in rural areas are among the most hesitant to get the shot. And even some frontline workers say they won't get it either. Here's CNBC's Contessa Brewer.
Hospitals around the nation have started vaccinating frontline workers against COVID-19.
So we're both ER physicians with 2 kids struggling all the time. You know, I come home from work, I'm always concerned that I may pass it on to the kids. For me, I think the most important part about getting the vaccine is prevention.
But not everyone who can get the vaccine will. A health tracking poll released today shows nearly 30% of healthcare workers feel hesitant. In New York City, 55% of firefighters surveyed told their union they won't get the shot and the city won't make them.
We just hope they make an informed choice. That's really what it comes down to, an informed and educated choice, and they have to do what's best for themselves.
At Northwell Health in Queens, where a critical care nurse got the first shot, the vaccinations are not mandatory. A spokesman says this vaccine received emergency approval, and therefore anyone who declines to be vaccinated, for any reason whatsoever, has the right to do so.
Hospitals and nursing homes can and do require their staff to get, say, the flu vaccine. But the COVID vaccine didn't go through the same long, rigorous testing. And because of that distinction, experts in employer liability are advising their clients, coax and communicate, but don't force it.
My friends that are not in the healthcare field, they have been hesitant. They keep asking me, are you going to get the vaccine? Should we get the vaccine? And I tell them, absolutely.
The more we hear from those who get the shot, the more likely we are to see hearts and minds start changing. For the news, I'm Contessa Brewer.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.